In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a rump cap steak. Now we're going to be working with a beautiful 300 gram rump cap steak. Now this one really doesn't need much trimming at all, maybe a little bit of silver skin down here, and a tiny bit of excess fat there. And for this rump cap steak, you'll notice that it's been sliced with the grain. So once our steak is done, we're going to slice it like so, and then the face side of those slices, the meat fibers are going to be running vertical, so we'll get a nice tender bite when we bite into it. But all I'm going to do now is season it up with some beef bounce. But if you've got another favorite rub, go ahead and use that. And now we'll let those flavors settle into the meat while we get some briquettes going. Alright, so as you would have guessed, we're using the Rambler for this cook. So we're going to open it up and take our cooking grates out. Then I'll lift our charcoal grate right up. Then I'll get a fire lighter down, light it up, and then I'll get our charcoal chimney on top, which is around a quarter full with some briquettes. Alright, and now our briquettes are ready. We're going to dump them in and then spread them out nice and even. Then we'll get our cooking grates back on. Then we'll get our rump cap steak on, fat side down, just to render that fat for 1 to 2 minutes. Then once that fat's rendered a little bit, we'll get it meat side down, and I'll drop our charcoal grate one level as well, just because that heat is quite intense and I don't want to burn the outside before the middle's cooked. And then I'll flip our steak every 30 to 60 seconds whilst keeping it moving around, so we get a nice even cook and sear on our steak. And I'll continue to do that until it reaches an internal temperature of 48 Celsius or about 120 Fahrenheit. Alright, so we have hit our target internal temperature, so we can get our steak off and onto a cake rack to help protect that crust. And we're going to let this rest for around 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, and after a short rest, we can slice this up. Such a good steak. Rump cap is definitely in my top 5. Honestly, I'll cook a steak like that 3 to 4 times a week for my lunch. It never disappoints. So there you have it. There's how to cook rump cap steak. There's lots of different cooking methods you could use. This one's a quick and easy one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. And if you'd like early access to our videos, members only chat where you can message me direct, exclusive content, special discounts and more, check out our Patreon, which I'll put a link for down in the video description. But for now, that's the end of the video, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.